Belt is a wealth of Cherokee knowledge. We head back to our original homelands with Tom to learn how 3 foundational Cherokee towns are still shaping who we are today.
The reason why we come to these places is to reconnect, not just with the place itself, but with ourselves.
And,
in my opinion, LMA was probably the best basket maker of buckbrush baskets.
Cherokee National Treasure Ella Mae Black Bear has passed on, but today we see how her basket weaving legacy lives on. And we explore the true story of Ezekiel Proctor and the infamous gunfight known today as the Going Snake tragedy.
This winds up being one of the deadliest encounters between federal marshals and indigenous people.
Plus, drummer Michaela Bearpaw shared a rock and roll dream with her late father. Come along with us as she makes those dreams a reality.
That adrenaline, that energy of just performing live, it's like nothing else.